Mmm. Mmm. This is really nice. Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you are enjoying watching my recipe videos and cooking them too. Today we are going to cook a vegetarian recipe from Northeast India, and this is going to be a bottle gourd that will be cooked in Karbi style. Bottle gourd, although a subordinate vegetable in Indian cuisine, has a very important role to play amongst the Karbi tribe in Northeast India. The vegetable plays a very important role in the social ceremony, and although the recipe might look really simple, it's really delicious. And to go along with this simple recipe, I am preparing some awesome side dishes. So watch the video till the end when I'm going to eat them too. And now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Bottle gourd, potato, which is optional, oil, roughly pounded ginger, crushed garlic cloves, slit green chilies, finely chopped onion stalks, and salt as per taste. Now let's start cooking. First, heat oil in a pan. Add your onion stalks, ginger, garlic, and slit green chilies. Stir and cook them on a low flame for a couple of minutes. Now add your chopped bottle gourd, potatoes, and salt as per taste. Stir, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Now stir and open cook them for a couple of minutes. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 20 minutes until the vegetables are mushy, and you should occasionally stir in between. Now open cook it until the gravy achieves your desired consistency. And here you go, our bottle gourd dish is ready. And to go along with this dish, I am preparing a beetroot with green leafy vegetables with little salt and sugar. Second, we have some crispy fried fish. And finally, some fried raw bananas with little turmeric powder and salt. So guys, here is our bottle gourd gravy, and I hope you have enjoyed watching the recipe. And before I go ahead and start my meal, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, as many of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. Kindly click on that bell button as well so that you do not miss any of my updates. And now let's dig in. But before I have it with the rice, I'm just going to try the dish as is so that we get the flavor and textures, whatever you name it. There's a sweet fragrance. Yeah, I think that's from the onions and bottle gourd, as well as the potatoes helped the gravy to thicken. This is really nice. Wow, what ginger garlic can do, man. Not spicy at all, but it has this awesome aroma. And by the way, the onion stalks have added a lovely crunch too. So the bottle gourd that we get in Northeast is significantly different from what we get here in Bangalore. So maybe the cooking time in Bangalore will be slightly higher, as I feel the water is hard, so that may be one of the issue. Other reason could be the variety of bottle gourd that is available here. So here is my yummy banana fries. Yeah, they are quite popular across Northeast if you are not aware, and not just in Kerala. And this is something I really enjoy. Beetroot cooked with sugar and salt. I'm going to help myself with extra and my pankaj fish fry. So just one for now. Wow. And look at how beautiful my meal is. It's looking super colorful. Yeah, the yellow color from the plantains and the red from the beetroot is contrasting this simple, humble dish, if you look at it. And now, without blabbing much, let's dig in. So bottle gourd with fish is also quite commonly enjoyed across the plain belt of Northeast India, and that is cooked with mustard seeds paste as well as is. We enjoy both, and also we enjoy it most, I think, with dried fish and khar, which is an alkaline solution for all those of you who are new to Northeast cuisine. And okay, I made a morsel of this, but before that I'm going to try with the this is looking really pretty now. Wow, I'm just mashing some of these potatoes so that they add more comfort. Wow. Wow, this is amazingly delicious with rice. And I'm sure if you have some dried fish chutneys as sides, oh, that will be such a killer meal. But for today, it's just fried fish. Okay. So the Mm. Mm. The green leafy vegetable, the name of which I'm not sure at all. I have to check it out with my vendor, vegetable vendor. Mm. It has added more flavor to the beetroot. Most of us may not like beetroot, but do try out this recipe. This is something that we eat in my house, and since children usually do not like beetroot, this is how we were fed, with sugar. And my love of this childhood food never went away. Mm. This is just the only way I like beetroot. Mm. And now let me try the fried fish. Mm. It's really crispy on the outside, and the best part about this fish is it's really fatty, and even if you have them as stew, it goes really well. I have covered a Naga style pankaj fish stew with akhuni. I'll put it in the card somewhere here. Do go ahead and check that video out. It's the most delicious way of having a fish probably in Naga style. Mm. The sweetness from the bottle gourd is undyingly subtle yet so lovely. And as you eat this meal, you can taste the green chilies coming through very subtly and not overpowering. I'm really sorry about the background noise. Looks like somebody is drilling. Ah. Mm. Yummy. Mm. Karbi food is so simple yet really delectable, and bottle gourd has an esteemed position, and I'm sure there are a lot of recipes lying out there with bottle gourd. So a humble request to all my Karbi friends, please share the recipe with me on my Gmail ID, which is snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. I would love to cover those recipes which you are just awaiting to be explored. Mm. Okay, I'm going to help myself with this plantain rice and some beetroot and some of this main course. Wow. We should have got some beans and boiled it, because that's how Karbi people eat. They eat a lot of boiled beans as sides. Yeah, snake beans in particular. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at my meal. Let me add some chilies, mash this chili that I have. This was really hot, so you can go ahead and add as much as you prefer. This is just incredible. And how simple food can be so divine. Wow. I love chilies. I hope you are enjoying watching me do this mukbang style videos. Do let me know in the comments. And also, if you have watched this video so far, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so that it keeps me motivated. And I'm really honored that some of you are sharing your pictures, which I'm sharing it in the community as well as my Instagram. Thank you for taking out your time and trying out these northeastern recipes. Wow. Hold a second, it's really hot. I'm sorry guys, I can't turn on the fan because it will create a lot of noise pollution and my voice will not be clear in the video. And my meal has come to an end. But before that, a big thank you to all of you who are watching my videos and giving them a big thumbs up. Also, please consider sharing it on your social media pages like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever you use. Also share it on your WhatsApp group so that the rest of the Northeast folks can also enjoy. And I'm really glad that despite of the current situation that we are in, we are able to get best foods in Bangalore. However, for those of you who are not, I know time is difficult, but I'm sure once all these is over, we will go ahead and have till our to our hearts full. So thank you for watching the video again, and I'll be back next Friday with a new recipe. So tune in to my channel between 5 to 7 p.m. in the evening. That's when I upload. And if you have not watched any of my recipe videos in the past, please go ahead and visit the channel. Until then, bye.